Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to install our shock tower covers. Basically, if you order a shock tower cover, they're going to come in a bag with an installation screw. This here is a four-wheel drive front cover for a B84, but we are going to install them on a Schumacher LD3 because that's what I have available right now. So you're going to basically get your shock cover out of the bag and the screw. And what I recommend is actually always pre-drilling the threads or pre-screwing the threads to create the threads before we actually install the tower cover. So we're simple fact, just screw it in like that. It creates the thread. Don't over tighten it because it can strip it out. The screws are long enough that if you do strip them out, you can put a M3 nut on the back of them. So we were going to just quickly install one on the front of the Schumacher LD3. Basically, they just kind of peel open, slide over the top, and you install the screw. On the Schumacher LD3, it does have a hole in the tower that goes through and holds it in place, but the rear does not. So the rear, we make a nub on them so it locks into the hole on the shock tower, which makes them more stable and prone for cracking or coming off. So we're going to slide that one over, push that nub into the hole into the shock tower, which most of them are designed like that. So we've already pre-threaded this one. Install it here, screw the screw in, and you are done. Simple as that. Pretty simple procedure. Also, our shock tower covers are made out of a special um, density TPU that they actually do wear down. They typically do not break or crack. They do wear out, however. So after they wear out, because we all crash and crash numerous times, the shock tower will start showing time to replace them, so we don't cut up our favorite Trax carpet. Also, you'll notice that on all our shock tower covers that none of them intrude or impede on shock mounting positions. So there's no interference with our tower covers to the shock or suspension. Any other questions? You can always message us. Thank you so much.